You've set up Google Tag Manager, you've connected Google Ads and Google Analytics, you have created your conversion action, but there's one final step, because right now Google Ads still isn't tracking anything. Hey, I'm Jasmin, and this is part 4 of my Google Ads conversion tracking series. In this video, I show you how to install your Google Ads conversion tracking tag inside Google Tag Manager and how to test that it's actually working. So in the previous videos, we built a foundation, we set up Google Tag Manager, connected Google Ads and Google Analytics, and created the conversion action inside Google Ads. If you missed these videos, you can check them out here. They are linked here. So now we're connecting everything together so Google Ads can finally record real conversions. As a quick recap, in the last video, we have created a conversion action inside Google Ads. We have to copy the conversion ID and the conversion label of our conversion in Google Ads. So for more details, you can check out this video here. So now we have to paste them into our Google Ads conversion tracking tag. So actually, we are still in Google Ads here. So you can see this is our conversion action, and you can see that the status here is still inactive. And now we're gonna make it active, and I show you how to do that. So now we are inside the Google Tag Manager. Here you can see that our container quality looks good, so everything fine. So we have to create now the actual conversion tag that sends the conversion data back to Google Ads. So how to do that? We click Add a new tag, and then we just name it Submit Lead Form. We choose tag configuration, then Google Ads conversion tracking. So now we actually have to put in the conversion ID we copied from our conversion action in Google Ads. Yeah, you can see that a Google tag found in this container, so everything is successful, as well as the conversion label. For the conversion value, we just keep it simple and enter 1. Yeah, so now we leave everything as it is. Now we have to set the trigger. So now we have to tell Google Tag Manager when a conversion should happen. We click here, Add New Trigger, and then we can give a name for the trigger. We're gonna trigger a thank you page. So we just name it Thank You Page. And now we have to set our trigger configuration. We click here, and we have to choose page view as a trigger type. And since the user is landing on a thank you page after submitting the lead form, we will choose some page views, and then we just choose page URL contains and then thank you. So when someone actually reaches the thank you page, we can safely assume that the form was submitted successfully. So now we click Save. So at this point, your conversion tracking setup is complete, but don't publish it yet. We have to test it first. So now we have to click here, Preview. So we are typing in our URL. We click Connect. Yeah, and now let's click here, Finish. So now you can see our tag Submit Lead Form hasn't been fired yet. And why? Because we haven't yet triggered that. And now we need to trigger the thank you page. So now we're actually triggering the thank you page as the user lands on the thank you page after submitting the lead form. So we enter that. And now we click actually here, Finish. So now actually everything is successful. You can see that here the submit lead form is correctly fired. So everything is successfully connected. So now that we tested everything and verified that it works, we have to publish our changes. So to do that, we just click Submit here, and we can just write, Submit Lead Form, verified, something like that, and name it here the same, and then click Publish. So now we are back inside Google Ads under Goals and then Summary. So here we can see all of our conversion actions. So Google Ads actually may take some time to verify the activity. So don't panic if you don't see the conversion like immediately. But for us, since we triggered the conversion action, like we actively visited our thank you page, so we set the trigger. So now we can actually see that everything worked. So our conversion action, submit lead form, is active. So if the tag fires successfully, that's exactly what we want. But just in case the tag doesn't fire, check your trigger. You might have set like a wrong trigger, or like the wrong thank you page URL, or maybe you didn't publish your Google Tag Manager changes, or you maybe put in the incorrect conversion ID or the incorrect conversion label. Let me give you a quick recap. So in this video, we created a Google Ads conversion tracking tag, we added a conversion ID and label, we built a trigger, we tested the setup, and in the end, we published the container. So at this point, your Google Ads conversion tracking setup is officially live. I know that conversion tracking can sometimes be very hard and kind of a pain, but I hope my videos help you. So now this was the last video, video number 4 of my conversion tracking series. If you would like my full Google Ads conversion tracking setup guide, like covering the entire process step by step, just comment tracking here below the video. And if this series helped you finally understand conversion tracking, consider subscribe for more beginner-friendly Google Ads tutorials.